Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to get unlimited free traffic to your affiliate link or your website or your CPA offers using free traffic, using free solo ads and free traffic exchange. I tested a lot of free solo ads online and traffic exchange. Some of them is good and some of them is bad. So I decide to make a list so you can use it and use it to promote your affiliate link for free. You can you can use this traffic to promote everything. All you have to do is take action and let's start. Okay, so you can see here, you can visit, I will put this link below this video, freetraffic.makingmoneyacademy.net. You can use it and you will find a list of free solo ads. You can find this list. This is the best list that I tested, and I know this is work, and you can see, you will get real traffic from this list for free daily. Okay, this list is free solo ads. All you have to do is sign up for free. You will get some emails from this website. All you have to do is open these emails and you will earn credit. When you earn credit, then you can send your solo ad for free. For example, I will show you one of this website. This is fantastic to use. It's free. Okay, you can see, you can go here, credit mailer. Right now I have over 2000 credit. All you have to do is put your title here and your text. You can put your link on with your text, and you have to put your link here. Choose some credit, put credit here, and all you have to do is send. Okay. The same thing is all of this website. You can use it to send your solo ad, your text, your link, and you will get free traffic to your affiliate link. For more example, I want to show you one of this. Let's log in. Sorry. Okay. And go to send mailing. I will show you the mails that I already sent. You can see I get here 13, 5 clicks, 11, 2 clicks, 19, 15. Okay, you can get real traffic from this website, and this traffic is very convert. Okay, all this traffic comes from people who want to make money online. So this traffic is very good to promote your affiliate links, your landing page, and you will get leads guaranteed. Okay, this is very important. Solo ad is the best traffic that you can get to your affiliate link. You can test if you want guaranteed solo ad traffic. You can visit this website. You can get sales guaranteed. Okay, this is a good website if you want to pay for traffic. Look, it's very cheap traffic. and very convert traffic. Solo ad is the best if you want to try this offer or product. You can use it, and you will get sales and visitors and leads guaranteed. Now I want to show you some of best traffic exchange that you can use. One of them is Hitlib, and 10k hits, Trafic Adbar, Trafic Post, Trafic App, and the best is Trafic Bonus. You can use this website to get unlimited traffic to your links and get leads and sales guaranteed. Okay, this is the best traffic. This is the best list. This list free. You can use it for free, of course, and this is for free. If you want to test this product, you can test it. It's sales guaranteed. If you want to make money online, you have to get traffic all the time to your affiliate links. Sorry, and you have to promote your links daily using different sources, and like you know, if you don't have traffic, you will never get sales, and you will never get leads. So get traffic, get leads, and get sales. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. You can visit this link. I will put this link below this video. You can save it. I will update this list, free list, daily, so you can use it to promote your affiliate link and get leads daily. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like it, please hit like. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you.